The Minecraft is worthless right now. I'm just running around dying. Should I go back to Minecraft? I just thought full cam was better.
No, it's not.
You're not that cute, George.
All right, I'm back in Minecraft. I'm just running.
Oh, everyone's like saying that reminded me of the Snapchat thing. Reminded me of that Bed Wars stream from like so long ago when I was Snapchatting you like during the stream. That was like a year and a half ago.
No, it wasn't.
No, that was a long. Okay, maybe not a year and a half ago. That was like okay, it was a year ago. But
No, it wasn't.
It was a long time ago. It was a long time ago.
It was like 6 months ago at most.
No, maybe it was we didn't even have the Dream SMP yet.
I think we did.
It was at least 6 months ago. At least 6 months ago.
Wait, did I upload a VOD of it or like a highlight? I think I did. Wait, did I?
I don't think you did. No.
I'm checking.
8 months.
I uploaded a video like of us playing Bed Wars. I'm pretty sure. Wait, where's that video?
That was so funny though.
Oh, it's here. I uploaded a Bed Wars VOD in November, 4th of November.
It was only in May. That's not. That's like almost a year ago. Like, it's not only. But yeah, that's still. It wasn't. That's not as long as I thought, but it was still a long time ago.
Oh my god. It wasn't. Jim's like, yeah, it was like a year and a half ago.
Oh yeah,
like,
you're right.
Did we even?
No, I was off.
I don't think we
no,
even
we didn't.
streamed
We didn't even stream a year. No, we didn't stream a year and a half ago.
Yeah, that was like 5 years ago.
No, it was like eight months. Oh, that was so funny.
I don't think it was even that long ago.
I was just sending him like inappropriate stuff. Like at the time, like the thing is that we didn't even really like one stream back then. Like we didn't even curse or anything, right? Or say anything. Like, so it was just funny. He's like, they're gonna see it in the reflection, and it's like literally porn.
Woo!
Wait, what?
That was what I was Snapchatting you.
No, wait, no, it wasn't.
Yes, it was.
Wait, was it?
Yes, it was. You could go find that clip. I'm telling you, that's what it was. Well, it was like different stuff, but that was one of the things. You can go back and watch it.
Dream. Wait, Quacky just got Bring Home the Beacon and Beaconator?
What?
I don't know.
What did you say to me?
Netherite was found actually. Thank you for the netherite. Oh my god, I've lost so much stream, so much stuff. This whole stream I spent getting stuff back, and then I just die in the Holy Land like 3 times. This is messed up. Where is everyone gone?
I just realized they're gonna go watch that clip, and you go, let me zoom in. Oh my god, that clip will be so much funnier with context. Oh my god, go find it. Go find it. George is like, that's some nice feed pics.
What? That's a nice what?
I was like pretending I was like sending a picture of my feet or something. He turns off his face cam. He turns off his face cam. He turns it off. He turns it off. He's admitting defeat. He's gone.
Oh my god. What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you?
You go, oh, let me zoom in.
Let's go.
Oh my god. Oh god.
Are you done?
Yeah. Oh god.